Behind every comfortable home is a powerful team keeping things flowing and running just right. From heating and cooling to plumbing that performs, it's all about the systems you don't always see, but always rely on. Let's learn more.
Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, all of those things work together as an HVAC system. It's what keeps your home comfortable. The home is a home when it's comfortable. It's just a house when it's not. When hiring a company to take care of your air conditioning, I would look for someone that's reliable, reputable, follows the rules, has good people, someone you can reach whenever you need to, well insured. People should avoid contractors not willing to get a permit to do an installation.
AirCo has been a trusted name in the community for over 35 years, known for delivering dependable solutions and building relationships that stand the test of time.
We still have that personal touch. We try hard to make it family-oriented, both for our customers and for the people that work for us. What's in the best interest of our customers is what's in our best interest. We can't be here next year if we're not making customers first. Every homeowner is different. There's a lot of things to take into account when we design a system or replace a system for a home to make it everything that that homeowner needs. Things have changed a lot over the years. Our replacement division has grown to match up with the new construction division. We have a lot of expertise in our company, and then the service department to support all of it. The way we set ourselves apart is with customer service. If customers are happy and they call us back, that's how we keep our company stable for the families that work there. AirCo's evolved from being really a new construction company building brand new homes and been able to grow with the times.
We service a wide range of customers from residential to commercial. Integrity is super, super important. There is a wide range of certifications for plumbers. You want to make sure they're licensed. They have their apprentice cards or their tradesman or journeyman license or even master plumbers. As far as HVAC technicians, there's Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation, making sure that they are certified to be able to handle this equipment. Also EPA, HVAC technicians, they handle refrigerant specifically, something that we need to handle safely. As far as AirCo in-house, we do in-house training all year round to make sure that our technicians are the best versions of themselves when they visit a homeowner. Coming into a homeowner's house, our job is to educate them the best possible way. But then also, hey, we're gonna give you different options. What fits your budget best? What fits you best? What fits the goals for your home the best? Most common HVAC problems that we see are normally due to lack of maintenance. What I would recommend all the time is, customers to set reminders in their phones. That way you can stay on top of it before it becomes a real issue.
When systems fail, who do you trust to fix them? AirCo brings decades of expertise to every challenge, with a team ready for anything from the simple to the complex.
SOAR stands for Success Over All Resistance. It's an award from Trane Manufacturing. Has to do with everything from business practices to customer service and growth. And we've won it several times. Hopefully we'll get it again this year. For me personally, when I could meet someone in their home and hear about the challenges they have with keeping their home comfortable, and I can solve those problems so that their home is comfortable all over and they're thrilled about it, that's the best feeling in the world. The services that we offer take care of heating and air conditioning and plumbing and indoor air quality too. We do repairs, so emergency repairs. We have people on call 24/7, 365, as they say.
Indoor air quality is huge, and a lot of people probably don't think about it. A majority of people probably spend 80 to 90% indoors. If you're not treating that air or making sure it's circulating properly, you can have all kinds of issues. Changing the air filters is the easiest thing for a homeowner to take care of typically. Normal maintenance is very critical. There's a lot of things that we can catch before they become a major, major issue to prevent long-term damage.
It's important to take care of what you have, and I think that if, as much as anything, get a good design, a good installation, take care of it well, and then you don't have to think about it as much. You can just be comfortable, and I think that's super important. When your house is comfy, you're comfy, no worries.
Discover how AirCo brings comfort home. Visit airco.com, or you can see the segment again on designingspaces.tv.